Meanwhile, PNP President Mark Golding is coming under fire for his handling of the UHWI tax exemption scandal, which has engulfed Jack Den. Government Senator Marlon Morgan says Mr. Golding's prolonged silence is unacceptable. He says Mr. Golding has been evasive on the matter when questioned in a previous press conference.
He has since been silent on the grave mishandling of taxpayers' money from which a company owned by his senior PNP member repeatedly benefited. This is the same Mark Golding who, on the campaign trail, claimed to be zero tolerant in relation to such acts. Golding has absolutely no credibility. Even if he takes belated action at this point, his prolonged inaction confirms to the Jamaican people that he cannot be trusted, and he cannot be trusted to treat with the matters of accountability, transparency, and probity in any serious manner.
Young Jamaica, the Jamaica Labour Party's youth arm, has also called for PAC Chairman Julian Robinson to resign. Senator Morgan also reaffirmed this position, arguing that Mr. Robinson's dismissal of calls for Dennis Gordon to resign, since he already paid some over $10.1 million to the UHWI, is dismissive and contemptuous. He says Mr. Robinson is
Julian
compromised.
Robinson is only insulting the intelligence of the Jamaican people and making an already bad situation worse. He is invariably intimating that Dennis Gordon's company's belated payment of the approximately $10 million it would have benefited from somehow makes amends for the unlawful and inappropriate use of the UHWI's tax exemption status. Quite frankly, Julian Robinson is only compromising himself as chairman of Parliament's Public Accounts Committee and is eroding public trust in his chairmanship of a committee which, in the weeks ahead, will continue to deliberate